Hello everyone, I am Prankur Gupta. In this lesson, I am going to explore a simple Java program. This is a simple code for printing Hello World on console. Program starts with a class named AMC, where class is a keyword, under which this class we have a main function. This main function is starting with public keyword, which means this main function can access from anywhere outside the class. After that, static means we can invoke this function without using the object of this class, because static functions get memory during class compilation and don't need an object which gets memory at runtime. These static and public keywords are used for the convenience of JVM so that it can find and invoke main function. We can also call a static function using its class name, but all non-static functions needs to be invoked using object. Void main means it will return nothing, and you can see we are passing string array to the main function. These are used to pass any arguments to Java program before execution. These are known as command line arguments. Under the body of main function, we have written a statement. Let's discuss that. Here system is a class which is used to invoke its static variable named out, and out is invoking println function under which hello world is written. This function is used to print something on console. Now, after compilation, if there are no syntax errors, during execution, JVM will first look for a static main function, start executing, and each instruction under main function. Now, let us see how to compile and run this code. Now, we can use any IDE for execution a Java program, like NetBeans, Eclipse, but here I am using Notepad. Now, after writing code, you have to save this file with .java extension. After clicking save button, now JDK must install in our PC for compiling and running our program, because JDK contains all essential tools to execute our program, as I have already discussed in my previous lessons. After JDK is installed, now it is time to set the path of Java compiler. For that, just right click on my computer and go to properties. Now you will see an option advanced system settings. Just click on it and you will see environmental variables button. Click on it. Now here just click on new button. After clicking new button, here you can see that you can specify the name of your variable. Here you have to specify the path of your Java compiler. You can find the path of Java compiler by just following this path. Here you just have to go to C drive, then go to program files, then go to Java folder, and then there you will find JDK that you have installed, and inside it you will find a bin folder. Inside a bin folder, copy the path of your Java compiler in your tab and then paste it here and click OK button. Now we are all set with the path set. Now let's execute and compile this program. Now you first have to navigate to the folder where you have created your program. I have created my program under C drive in new folder. So using cd command, first I navigate to new folder. Then using javac command, I compiled my program, which is simple.java. Now if compilation is successful, then a bytecode will be generated with .class extension. As you can also see here, simple.class, which is a bytecode, we can't understand it because it is present in encrypted form. So now we need to execute this program. For that, I have written java space simple. It will execute my program and print hello Java on console. Now guys, This is a simple Java program which is printing Hello Java on console. I hope you like my video, guys. Don't forget to follow and share this video. This is my Unacademy profile link. Thank you.